All right, here are the answers to those monitoring progress questions. So pause your video, check and make sure you got them correct. For number 5, you should have got x minus 2 times x minus 12. And for number 6, x minus 3 times x plus 5. All right, so let's go on to our last page. So we're actually not going to do this problem because it talks about something from 2.4, which we skipped and we're going to come back to later. So instead, we're going to do this problem. We're going to factor x squared minus 2x minus 24. So first, we need to find a, b, and c. So our a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 24. If we do a times c, that means we're doing 1 times negative 24. And what's 1 times negative 24? Negative 24. So that's our AC. So we need two factors that multiply to negative 24 and add to negative 2. Right? That's our B value, negative 2. So if we think of factors of negative 24, we have negative 1 and 24, 1 and negative 24, negative 2 and 12, 2 and negative 12, negative 3 and 8, and 3 and negative 8. And then we also have negative 4 times 6 and 4 times negative 6. So if we find our sums, negative 1 plus 24 is 23, 1 plus negative 24 is negative 23, negative 2 plus 12 is 10, 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10, negative 3 plus 8 is 5, 3 plus negative 8 is negative 5, negative 4 plus 6 is 2, and 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. So that last one is the one we're looking for, since they multiply to negative 24 and add to negative 2. So let's make our box. We have our first term in the first box, x squared, last term in the last box, negative 24, and then we're going to bring our factors in. So we have 4x and negative 6x. Now we just need to find our sides. So what do x squared and negative 6x have in common? They both have an x. If that side's x, what does this top side have to be to get x squared? X. If that side's x, what does this side piece have to be to get 4x? Well, that needs to be 4. If that side's 4, what does this side have to be to get negative 24? That would need to be negative 6. And then we can check our last box. We have x times negative 6. Is that negative 6x? Yes. So we know our answer is x plus 4 times x minus 6. And again, you can check your answer by multiplying it out and making sure that you got the same thing that you started with. All right, and that's it for 2.5.